Hello students. Today I am going to discuss goodwill. What is goodwill? I am going to discuss this. In last class I have discussed partnership fundamentals. Partnership fundamentals means profit and loss appropriation account. Each and everything, partnership current account, partnership fluctuating account, partner capital account, each and everything I have discussed, formats, etc. In this chapter means partnership. Second part I am going to discuss goodwill. Goodwill means what? Goodwill means reputation of the business. It is image of the business. Goodwill is image of the business, reputation of the business. We cannot see the air, but we feel it. Air is blowing from one place to another place. Same goodwill, we cannot see it, but we can feel it. That is called goodwill. Goodwill means reputation of the business. If suppose any new firm, suppose a new firm, ABC Company Limited, now it has started and he has not completed his 1 year, then there is not goodwill. If it will be sold in the market, then only business will be sold, but he will not get the money of goodwill because it is new firm. And those firm who did business last 5 years, 7 years, he has been doing business and he got some reputation from the market. For example, Samsung, Apple, Reebok, etc. Just we tell the name. Whenever we purchase anything from the market, Big Bazaar or Spencer's, etc., just see the name. This is the mobile of Samsung. This is the product of Daikin. This is the AC of Daikin. Just we see the product and we see the name of laptop, Dell, SP, etc. Why? After seeing it, we directly purchase it because we know very well this it is a reputed product. Its goodwill is too high in the market, so we don't see anything. Or any product whose advertisement is given in the television, then we are seeing it. After seeing that advertisement, we purchase that product from the market because it has created goodwill from the market. The goodwill means reputation of the business. How many types of goodwill? I will discuss it. Next topic is goodwill type, theory concept and practical concept. Okay, theory concept and practical concept. Today in this chapter I will discuss only theory concept. Why theory? Because 4 to 5 marks you will be asked a question in the examination of theory. Okay, and question will also come in the examination practical. Okay, so you will have to full command over theory and practical. If you will not understand properly theory, you can't solve the question properly. Okay, you will have to build your concept in theory as well as practical. Try to understand theory concept and practical concept. In this class, in this video, I will discuss only theory concept. Next video, I will discuss practical concept of goodwill. How many types of method for calculating a goodwill? There are 4 types of methods. First, capitalization method, annuity method, average profit method, super profit method. There are 4 types of method are already given. Average profit, super profit method, capitalization method, annuity method. And in BCom etc. you will see the weighted method etc. Okay, and annuity method. In class 12, just average, super and capitalization. and another class BCom etc., annuity weighted etc. You will see it. So define goodwill. It is an image or reputation of a business. Already I have discussed. It is the name and fame of the business which helps them to enjoy good earning. Which helps them to enjoy good earning. It means what? Whenever we purchase anything, just see the name Dell, Samsung, Apple, etc. Because it has goodwill in the market. We go in the market and purchase it directly because they have created goodwill in the market. Okay? Help them to enjoy good earning in the market. Those companies have good goodwill. Okay? They can maximize his profit. And those companies who don't have goodwill, they cannot maximize his profit. Okay? For maximization of profit, goodwill is the most important things for any company or any business. Okay? It is an intangible asset. Intangible asset means we cannot see it, but we feel it. We cannot touch it, but we feel it. Intangible assets. Intangible asset. This asset is sold in the market and purchased in the market. That is called intangible assets. Okay. It is an intangible asset, but having some realizable value. It has some value in the market. Already I have discussed. You can sell you can sell the goodwill and you can purchase the goodwill. Whenever you are selling any business, okay. Whenever you are selling any business, any company, then you are selling also goodwill of that business. Okay. Then you can sell it and you can purchase it. After selling of that business, you are selling the goodwill of that business. Okay. Many companies are available in the market. Those companies, they don't have any goodwill, so they cannot sell their goodwill, but they can sell their business. Okay. Suppose 1 lakh is valuation of any company, and that is new company. Okay. If it will be sold in the market, then he will get only 1 lakh. Okay, because it has not any goodwill. Another company, it is very old company and the valuation of the company is 1 lakh, but it is very old. Everybody, it is known company. It is known by all person. So 1 lakh is valuation of the company, and another 1 lakh is reputation of the company. Whenever it will be sold in the market, then he will get 2 lakh rupees. Okay, due to goodwill. The goodwill will be sold in the market. The assets will be sold in the market, and as well as goodwill will be sold in the market. So goodwill means fame, reputation, image of the business. Okay. Need of value. Why goodwill is essential in any company or any business? Today we will know about it. First, sharing profit. First is change in profit sharing ratio. Suppose 2:3:2 ratio. It was old ratio. Now, after entering into the but now profit is changed to 1:2:3 ratio. Whenever profit will be changed, then goodwill will be also changed. Okay. So change in profit sharing ratio. New partners is admitted. Whenever a new partner will be admitted in the partnership firm, whenever new partner will be admitted in partnership firm, then goodwill will be also changed. Suppose A and B are two partners. Okay, they are doing business. They have been doing business last 10 years. C is about to come in the business. Okay, then I will ask to him to give 1 lakh rupees and another 1 lakh rupees for goodwill of the business. Okay, so new partners is admitted. Whenever new partners will come, then I will charge the money for goodwill of existing firm. Next, partnership retire. Whenever existing partner is going to retire or death of partner, then goodwill will be charged. Okay. Business is sold. Whenever business is sold or purchased in the market, then its goodwill will be also sold in the market, and goodwill will be purchased in the market. The business is sold. So we knew that need for valuing goodwill. Next topic is that factor affecting value of goodwill. Which type of factor affect on goodwill? Today we are going to know about it. Okay. Location. Location means what? Location means place. If you will establish any company in a rural place, then in rural place transportation facility is not given, and banking is not available, labor is not available. Each and every facilities are not available in rural place. If customer will face difficulty going to that company or any company, then your business cannot run properly. Location is very most important things. Location. If you have opened your company in very reputed place, in good place, in marketplace, then you can maximize your profit day by day, because you are getting banking facilities, you are banking transportation facilities, you are getting labor, etc. You are getting raw materials, each and every facility you are getting it. Then you can maximize your profit and you can create goodwill. Every customer can meet directly with you without any problem. Okay. So location is most important things for maximization of goodwill, for maximization of profit. Location. Okay. Next topic is advantage of patent. Advantage of patent. Suppose you have patent means what? Copyright. Okay. Trademark, etc. Suppose you have invented a pen, invented a new pen. This is extraordinary pen. Then you will go in government office and you will get the patent for the 5 years, 10 years, etc. And they will charge on your company. Okay, they will take money from you. After giving the money, you will get the patent. Okay, this is patent. Those company who is running with patent, they can maximize his profit, and those company who don't have patent, they cannot maximize his profit, and they cannot create goodwill in the market. Okay, the location already we have known. Advantage of patent. Profit. If your profit is if your goodwill is high, then it means profit is high. If your profit is low, goodwill is low. Student asked from me, sir, I'm facing very difficult problem for calculation of goodwill. Then I also advise him, if you are getting more and more profit in the business, then you are getting goodwill. If profit in the business, then goodwill will also increase. If profit is decrease in the business, if profit is very low in the business, then goodwill will also very low. Okay, the profit is most important things for goodwill. Okay, next, quality. Whenever you will invent or discover any product, or you will make any product, then you will have to give the quality of that product. Okay, price is very essential things, but quality is also very essential things. If quality is bad, then nobody will purchase it, everybody will ignore it. Try to build your quality. Okay, so quality, good product. If your product is good, then goodwill will increase. A product quality is bad, then your goodwill will also decrease. Each and everything depend on your quality of the product. Market situation, if market situation is bad, okay, then you cannot maximize your goodwill, you cannot get the more and more profit. Okay, if market situation is good, then you can earn more profit. Clear? Classification of a goodwill. How many types of goodwill? ठीक है, first qualification is purchased, business sale or purchase, and second is generate, we are generating it, self generated. The purchase means what? Suppose you have money, okay, then you can purchase directly, and you can purchase any company from the market directly, then you are getting of that company goodwill also. Okay, this is purchased goodwill. Generated goodwill means you have opened the company and you have been doing the business last for 10 years, then you are generating the goodwill of that company. And purchase means there was a company whose name was Hutch. Okay, there was a company whose name was Hutch in the market. Vodafone has purchased it. The Vodafone has purchased his assets as well as goodwill of the Hutch. Okay, the goodwill is very important topic of partnership. Second part, goodwill chapter. Okay, so in this video just I have discussed theory part. Next video I will discuss how many types of methods, how will you solve the sums. I will also discuss the formula etc. Okay, how will you do the sums. Okay, practical sums. Thanks for watching this video.